So the classic French style is always on trend for bridal season. This year we're seeing a lot of micro French as well. Here we're going to be using 2 coats of Juliet for a subtle shimmer and White Magic for that crisp French line. I like to use my S1 brush to do this. And then you'll just need to top coat and you're done. So subtle glitter is great for those brides that don't want too much sparkle. We're going to use a coat of Masquerade, followed by a layer of Star-Crossed Lovers, and then just top coat. A nice simple one. So the next look is the new lip gloss trend. This is just a milky pink with a very glossy finish. So we're using a coat of Amour and then Bellissima on top, followed by top coat. Soft pink nails are going to be very in this bridal season. So we're going to use a coat of What Incarnation and then followed by some blush pink flakes. I'm going to apply this just down one side, just for that edge of glitter, and then top coat. So the glazed donut trend is not going anywhere. White nails are also going to be on trend. So we're going to use Soft Serve, followed by a coat of Layer It. And then just for that hint of blue, we're going to use Blue Faith Chrome Powder and blend that in over the top and top coat. So here are your final bridal looks for this season. As you can see, we've done them all on different lengths and shapes to suit any bride so that you can adapt to her requirements. Let us know which look is your favourite.